Breskur grasarlæknir framleiðir lífrænar snyrtivörur meðal annars úr regnvatni og bráðnuðum snjó. Hann segir íslenskt vatn alveg einstakt og því kjörið að vinna snyrtivörurnar hér á landi. Jóhanna Margrét heldur áfram.
David Coten kom hingað til lands ásamt íslenskri konu sinni fyrir nokkrum árum og framleiði nú lífræna áburði krem og varasalva undir nafninu Alkemistinn og lífrænt te sem heita grasakver. Vörurnar hafa fengið góðar viðtökur í verslunum með lífrænar vörur hér á landi og verða bráðum fáanlegar í flugvélum Icelandair.
When they say it's organic, it doesn't just mean that the way that it's grown without pesticides and fertilizers and that kind of thing. It's actually traced back all the way. You can trace back the source of it all the way to where the farmer and the field was and everything else.
David býr til allar vörurnar frá grunni og notar jurtir og olíur bæði innfluttar og íslenskar. Þá segir hann íslenska vatnið alveg einstakt.
And I believe that the water in Iceland is the purest and the best quality water in the world. So I really wanted to try and get to the source. So that's one of the kind of the reasons why we moved here, is to utilize that water. And I'm not just talking about the water that people drink here. I use water that I collect from the rain as well and do distillations with that, and also snow water as well.
David segir að rannsóknir hafi sýnt að vatn sem sett á rokktónleika annars vegar og í kirkju hins vegar myndi mismunandi mynstur þegar það fryst. Vatn því ekki bara vatn.
So it was kind of almost like the water was picking up the vibrations of where it was. And if you consider that we are kind of 70 to 80% water, then obviously depending on how we treat each other can affect the water within us, I think so.
Því sé mikilvægt að vera einnig rólegur við meðhöndlun vatnsins þegar hann framleiðir snyrtivörurnar.
It's like when you make a meal and you're really careful and you're cutting it and everything and you put a lot of love into it, it tastes so much better.